Hello friends, welcome and welcome to all the parents and kids who have joined my channel recently. Keep watching for fun videos in my channel, and some craft activities are also coming up. We have got lots of celebrations in India throughout the year. So this month we have got Janmasthami celebration. Many of you dress up your kids like Lord Krishna during this time. So we need some Indian attire for that. Along with that, we put some ornaments on them, and along with that, of course, a headgear or a mukut. So today I will show you how to make a headgear and dress up your kid like Lord Krishna. For that we require one mound board, which I have cut it out like this, and some golden paper. If you have got, you can cut the golden paper also in this shape. I have got golden foam sheets, so I have cut it from golden foam sheets like this, and one peacock feather because Lord Krishna's headgear has a peacock feather. So if you have got an original peacock feather, you can put that in this one, and otherwise you can cut it from blue or green foam sheets or any colored glittery papers. And for tying up, you need some zari or some golden ribbon, and of course some fevicol, scissor and felt pen and decorative pieces are required for this. Now I'll directly move on to the craft activity. First I'll put glue on the mound board, which I have cut out already. Once you have put the glue, now start sticking the decorative pieces. Whatever will be extra, we'll cut it out afterwards. Now from the opposite side, we'll cut out the extra portions like this. Glue on the feather, and one up above the other, and stick like this. Then the total feather, we'll put some fevicol and we'll put it over here, just like this. Once you've stuck the feather and the main headgear is ready, then we can start some more decoration. I'm putting some decorative stone stickers. You can put any kind of moti if you have got at home, or you can put any sequence. You can make it look like Lord Krishna's headgear. Once you have done all the decoration, just like this, its look has come very well. It will look wonderful on your head, on your child's head. So now we need to tie up the golden ribbon. We can place it just behind it so that it will be easier for you to tie it. And it's ready. Wonderful headgear of Lord Krishna. When you will dress up your little one with this kind of headgears, he'll look lovely. And before your Janmashtami celebrations, you can easily make this headgear at home. Keep watching my videos for this kind of more craft activities, and also homeschooling for little ones. So till then, bye-bye.